How to easily install HDO box on Firestick. I'm going to tell you the fastest way to get HDO box on your Firestick. First, make sure your Firestick is connected to the internet. Then from the home screen, go to settings, My Fire TV, developer options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. This will allow you to install third-party apps. Next, go back to the home screen, select Find, and then search and type in Downloader. Download and install the Downloader app. Once installed, open Downloader in the URL bar, and then type in hdo.app/fire, or you can also try /TV, and then press go. This will start downloading the HBO Box APK. Once the download is complete, just click on install, then open after the installation.